दे दो। Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create simple, classy and Valentine's Day eye makeup look. So without further ado, let's get started. I already primed my eyes, so I'm going to apply the first shade on all over my eyelid. And I'm using the Eyeshadow Palette by Bold Girl Cosmetics. Moving on to the gold shimmery shade, and I'm going to apply it on the center of my eyelid. For my outer corner, I'm using the dark brown shade with my small blending brush. And I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. To highlight my inner corner, I'm taking these two shades and I'm using the Eyeliner palette by Bold Girl Cosmetics. Okay, so moving on to the eyeliner that I'm using by Caryl Baker. I know it's not clear on the screen, but it's gonna be on my description box below. And with that, I'm using the pen eyeliner. There is no ink inside this pen. The only reason I'm using this pen because of the tip. It will give you a nice, smooth finished look that you're looking for. You can use any eyeliner you have. So now I'm going to blend out my outer liner with this burgundy shade with my small blending brush. I'm using the same shade on my lower lash line as well. I'm going over the liner one more time. For my crease, I'm taking this light brown shade. I line my waterline off camera with the same gel eyeliner. For mascara, I'm using the mascara by Huda Beauty and I'm going to apply it on my top and my bottom lashes. For my falsies, I applied it off camera by Kiss. To highlight my brow bone, I'm using the same shades. And this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.